Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you today, Gulab Chand Kataria, Governor Punjab, is over here to conduct the monthly review meeting of the Buddha Darya Rejuvenation Project. So today he has turned up over here at the Tajpur Road over here to see the condition of the Buddha Darya, as well as he will visit the dairy complexes both in Tajpur Road as well as in the Habowal area. So he will conduct the monthly review meeting today here in Ludhiana, and at present he's just checking the status of the Buddha Darya both over here at the Tajpur Road, and then he will visit the Habowal area as well. So Governor Punjab Gulab Chand Kataria, who is regularly conducting the monthly review meeting of this Buddha Darya Rejuvenation Project, has turned up over here in Ludhiana today, and you can see they are planting trees over here near the Tajpur Road alongside of the Buddha Darya, and he is accompanied by the Rajya Sabha MP Sant Balbir Singh Seechewal, and so you can see Gulab Chand Kataria is over here in Ludhiana. So he's here to conduct the monthly review meeting of the Buddha Darya project. So regular efforts are being made by the state government to restore the Buddha Darya, to clean the Buddha Darya. So Sant Balbir Singh Seechewal, who is leading this project for past 2 years, is making effort to avoid the dumping of the garbage as well as the dairy waste into the Buddha Darya, as well as the industry waste into the Buddha Darya. So today, Governor Punjab Gulab Chand Kataria is over here to conduct the review meeting of this Buddha Darya rejuvenation project. So after visiting the site over here at the Tajpur Road, he will visit the dairy complexes as well as the dairy complexes in Habowal. So we will try to talk to the Governor Punjab regarding his today's visit. So Governor Gulab Chand Kataria is over here and he is accompanied by Sant Balbir Singh Seechewal as well as MC Commissioner Dr. Neeru Katyal Gupta. So today he is going to conduct a review meeting over here in Ludhiana, and the officials from PPCB MC, they are over here to conduct the review meeting. So today, Gulab Chand Kataria, he is checking the status of the Buddha Darya project. He will visit the dairy complexes here in Tajpur Road as well as in the Habowal area. So he is accompanied by the Rajya Sabha MP Sant Balbir Singh Seechewal as well as MC Commissioner Dr. Neeru Katyal Gupta, besides official from PPCB as well as Municipal Corporation. So Governor is conducting review meeting every month regarding this rejuvenation project of the Buddha Darya, and today he is again here in Ludhiana to conduct the monthly review meeting of this project. So at present we are at the spot where Sant Balbir Singh Seechewal team, they have established this Ishnan Ghats over here at the Buddha Darya. So you can see at present at this side the water in the Buddha Darya is clean over here, but still there are several concerns as the water from dyeing industries as well as some waste from the dairy units, they are being continuously being dumped in the Buddha Darya. So today Governor Punjab Gulab Chand Kataria is conducting the review meeting about this rejuvenation project of the Buddha Darya, and he will address the all concerns, all this, the hurdles which are coming in this project. And so officials from MC as well as PPCB, they are also present over here, and Gulab Chand Kataria is being accompanied by Rajya Sabha MP Sant Balbir Singh Seechewal as well as MC Commissioner Dr. Neeru Katyal Gupta. So we will try to talk to the Governor Punjab Gulab Chand Kataria regarding this rejuvenation project of the Buddha Darya. So Governor Punjab Gulab Chand Kataria, you can see he is accompanied by the Sant Balbir Singh Sichewal, City Mayor Principal Inderjeet Kaur, MC Commissioner Dr. Neeru Katyal Gupta. So they are going to have the boat ride in the Buddha Darya today. You can see we are at present near the Ishnan Ghat established by the Sant Balbir Singh Sichewal team here at along the Tajpur Road near the central jail. So at this point, you can see Governor Punjab Gulab Chand Kataria, accompanied by Sant Balbir Singh Sichewal. They are conducting a review of this Buddha Darya project, rejuvenation of the Buddha Darya project. So, City Mayor Principal Inderjeet Kaur, she is also over here at the site, and Governor Punjab Gulab Chand Kataria, who is regularly conducting the monthly meeting regarding the rejuvenation of Buddha Darya project, today is here having the boat ride with the Sant Balbir Singh Sichewal to review the status of this Buddha Darya project. So today, after visiting the site, Gulab Chand Kataria, he will visit the dairy complexes in Tajpur Road as well as in the Habowal, and then he will conduct the entire review meeting with the officials of the MC as well as PPCB. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.